Ochieng. Sirikal chano machwalo okenge mag bero weche loso yedhe gi weche lony mopogore pacho ka. Jatend piny William Ruto lero ni sirikal osingo machiwo omenda ma ichano tim godo nonro mag weche mag thieth. Ruto lero ni sirikal biro keto okenge mong'ith mag neno ni lek ni ochopo kare ka oting'o chiwo lope mag gero kembe mag loso yedhe go. Oyango ni gichano tiyo machiegni gi KEMSA e bero dwaro ni mar neno ni okang' mar siro weche mag loso yedhe pacho ka okonyo chopo kare lek mar universal health coverage gi chiwo thuolo mag tije ne oganda.
We have to leverage on local manufacturing. And the reason why we are doing that, because we know, Your Excellency, with local manufacturing, the time that used to be taken to import products is going to be reduced. So we reduce on our lead times. If a product used to take 60 days to be available at KEMSA, it will now take 15 to 30 days because it's available next door. Your Excellency, the second thing is the cost. When a product is imported, there are many costs that are lumped onto that product. We have cut a whole lot of those excesses that are put on the cost of products.
I am aware of the long-standing challenges local manufacturers face. And my administration is committed to ensuring that by 2026, mark these dates, they are important to you as manufacturers, at least 50% of the medicines listed in the Kenya Essential Medicines List will be manufactured and available locally. We will work with you and all the other stakeholders to coordinate activities among financiers, industry, and technical providers to reduce transaction costs, ensure critical investment in system enablers, and support manufacturers in dealing with various requests for assistance.